Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. My class and all its associates are working hard for the development of your speaking and listening skills. You have to spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day for your own development. Today I will read a very beautiful and well-done story with a striking lesson for all of us. Try to follow me. I know you can do the work. Yes, you can. Now the story. But I won't let you know the name of the story right now. You will know the name and the moral at the end. Let's start. A miser who never stopped worrying about the safety of his many possessions sold all his property and converted it into a huge lump of gold. This he buried in a hole in the ground near the garden wall, and every morning he went to visit it and gloat over the size of it. The miser's strange behavior aroused the curiosity of the town thief. Spying upon the rich man from some bushes, the thief saw him place the lump of gold back in the hole and cover it up. As soon as the miser's back was turned, the thief went to the spot, dug up the gold, and took it away. The next morning, when the miser came to gloat over his treasure, he found nothing but an empty hole. He wept and tore his hair, and sowed loud wild lamentations that the neighbor came running to see what was the trouble. As soon as he had learnt the cause of it, he said comfortingly, "You are foolish to distress yourself so over something that was buried in the earth. Take a stone and put it in the hole, and think it is your own lump of gold. You never meant to use it anyway. Therefore it will do you just as much good to fondle a lump of granite as a lump of gold." The name of the story, The Miser. And the moral, the true value of money is not in its possessions but in its use.